Vauxhall Corsa D front door card. We've got 5 securing screws on the door card. We've got one self-tapping T20 here. We've got 2 behind this cover here, and we've got another one under this cover here. Then underneath we have a T25. So we need to remove the window switch and disconnect the wiring. And then we've got this plastic trim here. Now we've got all the fixings removed, we can insert a pry tool. You are very likely to break clips while doing this, but they can be extracted and put back in the door card. Once all the clips are free, you can then lift the door card out of position. And what you'll be left with is the tweeter, which has dropped straight out, and we've got the interior handle mechanism. So the cable can be pulled out and unhooked, releasing the door card. Any clips that have been broken you'll want to extract and refit into the correct position before refitting the door card. Otherwise it won't be attached properly. If you leave these clips in the door card will be pushed away from the door, so it won't fit right. They're not great to remove these clips, hence why they've broken in the first place. But if you manage to get a pry tool on there, and maybe even something extra behind, because they can be very stubborn. So I've located the clip that I lost, reinsert it into the door card. When refitting, make sure that you feed the wiring for the window switch back through the hole, and obviously reconnect the interior door handle cable. Push the tweeter back into its position. Top of the door card first. Before pushing the clips in, make sure that they are going to line up. So it's probably best if you go from the inside and then you can be sure that the door card is on properly, so you won't get any rattling once it's been screwed back in.